Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you a few easy methods on how to quickly reset your GPU on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to use a shortcut key or hotkey. Now in order to reset the GPU on your system, you simply have to press the following key combination: Windows, Ctrl, Shift and B keys together at a time on your keyboard. But please don't worry, because you'll see that the system screen will go completely black and not responsive for a short amount of time. Afterwards, everything will go back to normal and you can then consider this as a reset procedure. Moving on, another useful solution is to reinstall the graphics driver. Now to do this, right-click the Windows button and select Device Manager from the list of options, and in here in the Device Manager window make sure to expand the Display Adapters section, then right-click on the problematic device and select the Uninstall Device option. Now in here what you have to do is tick the box next to attempt to remove the driver for this device, and lastly just click on the Uninstall button to start the uninstall procedure. Afterwards just restart your computer, you will see that the drivers will be automatically reinstalled. Moving on, another useful solution is to update the graphics drivers. So in order to do this, just right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options, and in here in the Device Manager window make sure to expand Display Adapters, and now right-click on your graphics driver and select the Update Driver option. The last thing you have to do in here is just click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will try to find the best available drivers already on your PC. Otherwise, if you don't have the latest available drivers on your PC, just click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update, which will take you to the Windows Update window. In here what you have to do is go to Advanced Options and then select the Optional Update section under Additional Options. And from here on, if you have any drivers showing up for your graphics card, make sure to tick the box next to it and select the Download and Install button. And that's pretty much it. From here on you can just restart your computer and check if the problems still persist. Another great method is to use DriverFix, which is a free updater application for Windows. So basically DriverFix scans your whole system and then searches the web for the most recent drivers. And from there on you can choose to update the drivers you need manually or all at once if you upgrade to the Pro version. So make sure to check it out and get it for free by accessing the link in the description below. And that was it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more quality content. Have a great day and thanks for watching this video.